All right, this video is not a route per se, more like a nice little tour. So we're on the other side in Cambridge, other side of the Charles River, on the same path, Paul Dudley White path. It's on both sides. So basically, if you've seen any of the other videos, maybe you're not from here, haven't been here that many times, the opposite of the Esplanade. And we're also, to the left, is MIT, the MIT campus. Here, I'll actually, let's give you a little of this one. That view should be recognizable, at least a little bit. So, and again, this video also will show you how I get into Kendall Square. I know there's other ways. It's kind of the way I like to do it. Also the way that I would get back. You get on your left. Alright, so there's a pretty good look along the river, and here's how I like to get in to Kendall Square and otherwise other areas of Cambridge, is to just use this one. This is Ames. See, they have a bike signal, and there's also, all right, now we have both green on the bike, so we're heading right in on Ames. Off the bike path, Charles River's Cambridge side, heading it on Ames into Kendall Square. Two-way bike lane. On your left. That's pretty much it. Come in on Ames. Little bend there, almost shaped like a boomerang, and you're right here, Kendall Square.